ó ti wá dojú ẹ̀ báyìí àṣírí yín ti wá tú báyìí ẹ súnmọ́ bí ẹ wá tún wo eléyìí o ọmọ Yorùbá kàsàlá tún ti bọ́ọ̀sì àṣírí ilé èmi nìkan kọ́ ní í gbọ́ èmi nìkan kọ́ ní í wò ó ọmọ àǹtí mi súnmọ́ bí tí bá ń wí fún yín àwọn tí ò fẹ́ ká lọ tá a bá lọ àwa náà múra ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́nu wá rùn wọn ní ká shut up my mouth wọ́n ní gbẹ́nu mi dákẹ́ sáwọn olè tí wọ́n ń jí gbogbo resources yín wáyé wọ́n ní ẹ lọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀rọ wọ́n ní ẹ gbé gbogbo ẹ lọ àdẹ̀ ní múra wọn Nigeria government ìkànnì yín o ẹ wá wo fídíò tí mo fẹ́ fi hàn yín ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ.
In 1972, it was agreed that Nigeria should not under any guise be allowed to grow. 1995, the need to look for resources to run African states became an issue. Nigeria was more or less totally bankrupt. The need to run Nigeria became an issue. Salary payment was difficult. Then Libyan government, along with Germany, decided to utilize a satellite from a private satellite company that has shares of government of Germany in it. They discovered uranium in abundance and in high quality, well spread in Nigeria. Out of curiosity, that leader and other leaders decided to say, scratch part of Nigeria and let's take a look. They were shocked with what they discovered. In Northeast, they discovered a portion, and that portion in part of Zambeza leading to Lake Chad. What was deposited there, this is not hearsay. I was in Libya, I was in attendance along with Nigeria's ambassador, two of us allowed, then he was later told to go, and I was left alone along with the Libyan leader and the German company and the owners of the satellite. What was kept there was capable of producing 10 Dubais. 1996, you can quote me in the eyes of this world, Mustafa said so. What we discovered at that material time was a shocker. So I asked questions as if I didn't understand what they were saying. The Libyan leader then, the so rest in peace, said, and I quote, I mean, what is in this place is enough for you to produce 10 Dubais, 1996. The product of this satellite was brought to Nigerian head of state by me. I brought the 2 metallic boxes. Where is it? Who took it? What happened? Where is the money? Now hold on. What might interest you is what I'm going to say. Nigeria is poor. Your industries are dead. But hear this. 1999, November 1st, I was in prison. They came to meet me in prison. And they asked me numerous questions on the way we were managing some certain things about Nigeria. I wouldn't want to mention. They mentioned some names and commanders they required to do some certain jobs for them. But the question I asked is, was it for Nigeria? At the end of the day, to cut the story short, is to tell you that Boko Haram was a calculated game. No, I'm begging you, see, I want us to listen with patriotism as Nigerians, because when hopelessness confronts a person who is thirsty, unknown to him, he is standing on an oasis. He is dying of thirsty. He is looking for water and busy praying. But the senses to dig the water and then come back alive is the problem of Nigeria. You are rich, you have it, you are scavenging for it. Most unfortunately. Now, from that time till now is 23 years. People might not tell you this. I'm telling you. I'm ready to be accused, abused. It doesn't matter. I am here. Precious stone has been what they have been taken. Boko Haram were our sons and daughters given a wrong indoctrination. Taking opium from Afghanistan, the hashes in the wall, mixing some wood, a certain chemical. When they dip a date in it, and then after 4 hours, whosoever takes it becomes a robot. You are totally robotic. You will respond to orders. You will not feel pain. You will not think. You will not reason. They kill numerous soldiers, many widows in barracks, many orphans littered all over, many refugees scattered around Nigeria. Is labor aware? Keep that aside. It's the social ills created for Nigeria and Nigerians. What you may ask yourself is, how much of this real stone have they taken in 23 years? What has it contributed to Nigeria's growth? Did they build one single textile with the money? Who are the Nigerians collabing with their external factors? When did it start and how many regimes work with them? Can you even quantify the number of officers, soldiers killed, traditional rulers? Can you quantify the friction created between Muslims and Christians? When a bomb is lodged in a church, they will quickly write in the paper the next day, it was Mosque A that did it, and vice versa. They bomb the mosque and blame the church. It's not true. It's a game. So that when you fight yourself, when confusion keeps you aside, they are busy taking what you have. But you sit down, you see, you sit down and look at newspapers and you believe in it. No, there are numerous respected journalists who are highly patriotic, who are highly respected. There are many of them I can fight for with my blood. But they are poor, they are professionals, they don't have money. They have to write what they are told to write. They need job. Who is fighting for them? Keep that aside.